sweet potato or two. Let's see. Some oil, black pepper, salt, and then any other spices that you might want on your fries. So I'm gonna make mine a little savory, so I'm gonna put some garlic powder, smoked paprika, and then I like them spicy, so I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper. But you can also make them a little sweet by adding some brown sugar and cinnamon. So go ahead, grab your stuff, wash your hands, and get an adult to help you out in the kitchen. Okay, so now that we've gathered all of our stuff and we've washed our hands nice and clean, we can go ahead and start washing our sweet potato. So the easiest way to do it is just to run it under some cold water, and you can use your hands or if you have a vegetable brush to just kind of scrub off that outer layer of dirt. You can go ahead and also peel your sweet potatoes if you would like, if you have a peeler, or you can use a knife and just be really careful. But I actually like the skin on mine, so I'm going to keep the skin on. Now before we start cutting, it's important to note that sweet potatoes are really, really starchy and they're very firm, so they can be a little bit difficult to cut, especially for younger chefs in the kitchen. So make sure you're being very, very careful, or just to have an adult help you in this situation. It's always better to be safer than sorry. Once they're nice and brown and crispy, you can take them out of the oven, let them cool off for maybe about 10 minutes, and then you can plate them up with your favorite dipping sauce of choice, like ranch, barbecue, or I like mine with just plain ketchup. Give them a try. Leaving the skins on makes them extra crispy and extra delicious in my opinion. Okay, so there you guys have it. It's a super easy and fun way to eat sweet potatoes. Go ahead and if you guys tried this recipe, or if you try any other recipe making sweet potatoes, fill out our survey in the description below and you guys can be entered in a chance to win a fun prize. Thanks for joining me, guys.